Made a promise to myself, I go face my front. I don't resolve, I don't feel look back. But the way where you suddenly changed my mind, it did one kind. Ah, the truth be say, I know you my eye. Oh, the truth be say, I know you my eye. She cast a spell on me. I dey feel I'm the one. I don't feel deny. I don't feel deny. She cast a spell on me. I dey feel I'm the one. I don't feel deny. I don't feel deny.
This kind of love they totally medicine for my body. Analyzing this your body. I don't feel deny. Oh no. That gonna shock me for body. This kind of love they cause congee. Mesmerize me with your body. And
now with this one is good for agricultural purposes. If you want to know the types of crop you want to grow in a season, maybe dry season, rainy season, you come here, we give you the advice. So those who want to grow deep crops. But this is not working, so you can look at the automatic one. I wish it is 10. It doesn't deceive you. Measure the speed.
for the way you smile and shine your body through. They make me happy too. They make me feel nobody more low. I don't feel it now. How you take to
Cast a spell on me.
I do feel I'm the one.
I don't feel deny. I don't feel deny. She do something to me. I dey feel I'm the one. I don't feel deny. I don't feel deny.
She not give me
The thermometer that you go to now, these ones measure temperature of the atmosphere. Okay? Good. So don't go and open it and say you are using it to check your body temperature. It's meant for air. You use it to check the temperature of the air, the wind that is blowing around us. Okay? So you see from the back. So we have the straight ones, we have those starting vertical. This is the dry bulb that gives us the temperature of the dry air in the atmosphere, and then the one with the water attached to it is the wet bulb that tells us the temperature of the moist air in the atmosphere. And then we have the maximum thermometer that helps us record the highest temperature of the day, and that is the one up. You can see it. Then the ones down, you see I'm not touching the thermometers because if I touch it, the temperature will change. Now the worst temperature of the day. Bulb, B-U-L-B, bulb. So the dry bulb and the wet bulb is read every 3 hours. Every 3 hours we come and take data. Every 3 hours we come and take data. The
wet bulb
maximum is picked once in a day at 6 p.m. and the minimum 6 a.m. each day. So they are picked once a day, but the dry and wet is picked every 3 hours. So the last time we picked it is at 9 a.m. At midday, we will pick the temperature again. 3 p.m. we'll pick, and then 6 p.m. we'll pick. Yeah.
So
if you want to classify it, then you say the cup counter anemometer. The cup counter anemometer means that you see the thing looks like a cup, so the wind enters it and it pushes it, and it moves. So as it enters it and it pushes and it moves, then it tells us the speed of the wind. We record the speed of the wind down here. Those who are here, you can see the numbers. That is how we get the speed of the wind. It tells us how fast the wind is blowing. Please, are we fine?
Yes.
Good. Any question? So why do we measure the speed of the wind? We measure the speed of the wind because if I have a farmer, he has a farm. And this is my farmland, his farmland is there. He decides to spray weedicide on his farm. And I have cultivated my land. I have maize here. And he has wheat, so he's spraying his farm. If the speed of the wind is high, to blow the chemical into my farm and then destroy my farm. If you are falling a tree and you don't know the speed of the wind and you don't take it. 2, it shouldn't be planted in a marshy area. So I'm going to tell you so that when you go home, you tell your parents.
Okay.
Okay? So this is the month that there is ban on fishing in Accra. Do you know that in Ghana they ban fishing and gaming? That is killing of bush animals. Do you know?
No.
Hey, people don't read news. You have your phones taking pictures. You people don't read news. You don't listen to anything. They ban gaming. You can't go to the bush and go and hunt any animal now. And very soon the fishing one will come.
Yeah.
And that is how technology has improved.
That's fine.
So technology has improved. So this is a weather station. This pole. It's a full weather station. It measures everything that we have discussed. It measures rainfall, temperature, sunshine. It measures relative humidity. It measures lightning that we cannot do here. So this is a weather station on its own. Full weather station. It does everything that all these instruments do. Wind direction, wind speed, everything. It's powered by batteries here and this small solar panel. The same thing applies to this. This is also a full weather station. It has its rain gauge here, has the thermometers and temperatures and everything. Also powered by solar panel, the solar panel. Okay? So that is what technology has brought to us. The same thing applies to the 2 white ones there. They are also automatic weather stations, measuring different things. Are we fine? The stratocumulus clouds that are rain bearing. And then it sends the feed to us. So I can be here and I will see for Sunyani whether there is a storm building at Sunyani and tell you that it will rain at Sunyani. Times takes pictures of clouds, takes pictures of rain bearing clouds.
Right, but the speed is 5 knots. We measure the speed in knots, 5 knots. If it is long, it is 10. So a longer length, or to say back, means 10. Half of it is 5. Do you understand? If you have 2 of the long, it means what? If I have 1 long, 1 short, 15. Are we good? Yes. So the longer side that is pointing to the dot, which is the station, is the direction. And then it is.
So when you look at one of the
Come and point which one, so that
when you look at one of the what is the wind face like? When you look at it this way, when is the direction from?
so again, don't forget your cardinal point is like this. Don't forget your cardinal point. It's your guide. So this is your cardinal point. Draw it. Right. So this is your north, south, your east, and your west. Ordinarily, it's between north and east, but it is not towards the north. Do you understand? So this longer side, going to the station, is normally the direction. It's for you from to the station. We cannot talk about one and leave one.
So if you want to get the direction of, you can see a small dot just at the end of the bar. Okay, at the end of the week, that small dot over there. Just put your cardinal point over there. So Mary, show them. So let's say we are drawing a class at where the dot is. You are drawing a class. Okay, so when you draw the class, where is your wind going to set at? Exactly. So that people have it already. So this is the
You see, you're all excited. Oh, boy, you didn't go.
And I'll go. Who woke up when you Kumasi?
Good afternoon, viewers. Good afternoon, viewers. I'm Lucy Mensa from Ebenezer Senior High School, Form 2, offering the course General Art. Okay, so I'm here to keep you educated on the climate and weather for today. So looking on our map, we have Accra, 32 degrees Celsius, and then Ho, 33 degrees Celsius, which will tell you that the weather is going to be very hot for today. So to help oneself, you must keep oneself hydrated, drink a lot of water, and inside you can also keep your ACs on for a better hydration. Thank you.
Your gentleman is running away.
I'm here to present about the temperature of the weather today. In the NDA, it is going to be 38 degrees Celsius, meaning the weather is going to be hot. So I'll advise you guys to stay in your room, and if you are in your room, turn on your AC and drink water to stay hydrated. And in Bodlegatanga, it is 37 degrees Celsius. And this means it is also
Hello, viewers. Welcome to this afternoon's forecasting. And I am Ruth Eunice Mautote, a learner of 2 General Art 3 and a proud member of the prestigious Ebenezer Senior. I'm here to talk about Boligatanga and Accra. And right as you can see on my screen, Boligatanga's weather is 37 degrees Celsius, whereas Accra's weather is 32 degrees Celsius. So I would like to advise my viewers from Boligatanga to put on a lighter cloth, take more water to stay dehydrated. Same to those in Accra. Thank you.
Sunshine. So one advice I'll give to my people is to take in more water to stay hydrated, or they should use umbrella when they are going out.
Umbrella.